Oh my god! Wow!
What is up, house of people? It's the Khalifa, and how are you guys doing? I've not been uploading video for a while, so I decided to make this very video. It's gonna help you guys. So I want to tell you about an application. This application consists of over 60 applications in it, in just a single app, with under 7 MB app, as you can see. So this application has damn features, many features that I want to share with you. So this is the best app indeed. This is just a single app. It contains over 60 applications, and all are very functional. It's so damn interesting, guys. So I want to show you little tools app here. You know, it gives meaning to your smartphone, as a matter of fact. So it has over 60 applications here, but what I have to do is simply to like tell you a little bit about the most important ones. So I'm gonna give you some overview. You can see the file transfer button here. You can transfer application and some other stuff from your phone to any other phone that is having this LL app stuff. So as you can see, it has the blank camera whereby you can actually, you know, can take pictures with the blank camera. So if the camera is blank, you can just click on the button. You can see it is blank on the face now. So maybe if you are moving and you wanted to take some snapshots, you can just make sure to click on the screen where it is blank, and nobody will notice that you're taking pictures. So just click on the screen, clicking on the screen, clicking on the screen, and you're actually taking pictures. So click on the down button over here. Down button down.
You can see the pictures I've taken.
You can see how it is. So that's that. You can take pictures, you know, in the blank screen there. So that's a great application, as you can see. It has a CCTV camera application as well, so you have to connect it to the other phone using this LL app as well. You can control this phone. You can control 3 more phones or 4 using this very application by clicking on the control phone bar here. Then you connect it to the other phone that have this very application in them. It has the compass, the leveler, the speedometer, the altitude, you know, metal detectors, scribble, iRemote. It has the path tracker, the many other stuff. You know, it has a simple pendulum bulb application for physics students, so you can use this for your physics practical. You can see the pendulum. I'm trying to like oscillate the whole thing. I'm shaking my phone, you can see. So let's balance the whole thing up. Let's balance my phone and it will stay in one place, you can see. So let's get back. It has music group whereby you can actually play music from your own phone and connect it to other three or more phones, then to play on their phone. It has walkie-talkie and many more applications, as you can see. It has night vision application, whereby the night vision app here, you can take pictures in the afternoon, just like in the. So once you click on it, you can see my hand in the day vision. So once I take the picture, it will change to night. You can see here is night vision. So it's pretty slow. That's that. Let's try to take the night vision. This application is great. It has many useful applications that you cannot even find, you know, so easily. It has the barcode scanner, color detector, text recognition. It has motion camera, whereby it will take picture of a moving object, you know, in 10 seconds. So you can see you have to turn this on by clicking on the turn on button there. So you can see it's on now, and you can make some sound. So whenever there's a moving car or a moving object, it will actually take the picture. So let's try to move my hand. Let's increase the sensitivity to 100. Let's move my hand. You can see it's on. After 10 seconds, it will take the picture of my hand. You can see. You can see it has taken one picture. Let's check it. You can see the moving picture. You know, I won't tell you all, but I will show you some. You can do it yourself later. It has the heart rate scanner, the steps counter, the vibrometer, whereby it will vibrate if the phone is vibrating with the X, Y, and Z axis respectively, to actually shake. So let's try to shake the phone. You can see I'm shaking my phone, and they actually use all these things in the hospital. They're connected to heart, whereby if there is some little vibration in your heart, you can see that the whole thing will be moving. So that's the vibrometer. I'm shaking my phone. You can see. So let's check it towards the Z axis. So you can see that's that. The force is there. Let's get back. The ruler, you can actually use this thing to measure some things with your phone. You can see you can measure stuff, calibrate them using your phone by clicking on the positive and negative button here to increase and decrease it respectively. So let's get back. This has something like compass, you know, for your mathematics stuff. You can use the compass. Geography stuff, you can use this compass. It has length measurement. You can measure length of something by, you know, actually holding down that very object. You can see the length bar there. So horizontal distance, you can actually measure it. Then the speed trap, you can use this in measure stuff. But the most important one here is that the stop motion stuff and the screen recorder. It has screen recorder, and you can use this screen recording to record so many things on the screen. You can paint something using the paint section here. It can generate sound for you. Then it has mic. So this mic will actually make you to talk. You know, it will make it louder whenever you are speaking, as you can see. So I'm currently using my mic for this very screen recording stuff. So if you want to use this wirelessly, you can actually connect it to your speaker. You connect it to to a Wi-Fi connection. Then you connect it to the speaker, and that will work as well. So let's get back to it. So as you can see, guys, it has WhatsApp Wi-Fi calls. You can make Wi-Fi calls using it. And let's get to the most important, which is the stop motion here. This stop motion actually gives you the ability to make stop motion videos on your phone using this very app. And the whole thing, the whole application, sum up is something like 7 MB or less than that. So let's try to draw some stick figures animations. You can see I'm not a good artist for now. So let's click on the add button down here. You can see the add button. So click on the add button to add more sheets. Just make in form of flipper clip or something like flipbook animation. So let's try to add another side of the animation. You can see you can just do it the way you want. Let's add something. You can see it's moving. It's in 2 FPS. Let's try to add more. So currently I'm not in the mode to draw. So you can make animations using this very stuff. It will be moving live. So you can see, let's add more sheets. Click on add more sheet, then you can just do something like this and to see add it. So let's try to save it by clicking, but let's play it first by click on the eye vision. You can see it's playing at the top. If you want to increase the speed, you can click on the FPS down there. You can increase it. You can see it's speeding now. Currently is in 9 FPS, and let's try to like save it by click on the memory card icon down here. So let's save it. So I'll save it and hold, you can see. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, give it a huge thumbs up. I'm Tech Khalifa, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.